Hello, new Cardinal families. My name is Miss Wall, first name Natasha, and I'm going to be your world history teacher for the 2020-2021 school year. I'm excited about getting the chance to meet you, so I thought I'd just tell you a little bit about myself through this screencast. Um, I'm in my 25th year of teaching, and I've been in Charlotte for the past 6 years. And this will start my fourth year here at POB. I came to Charlotte because I am the mother of a daughter who goes by HK, but she's a rising junior at WCU this year, and she was selected 6 years ago to be a student at Northwest School of the Arts. So that's how I got to Charlotte. Before that, I was teaching English for 17 years in Stanley County. What you see in front of you are a few links that will kind of give you a glimpse into my background. Not only do I teach world history, I also enjoy science and I enjoy English. I am a fan of English because I'm also a published poet. I also attended Western Carolina University, and I am in charge of Barry Spitz here at POB. And Spitz stands for Speaking It Strongly. And I'll show you some clips. We'll dive right into the clips. The first thing is a clip from the Wild Goose Poetry Review that just kind of gives you an idea that if we scroll all the way down to the T's, you'll see the first poem that I had published on this account. And I wrote this poem for my daughter. So right here, where my cursor's going, it's a poem entitled Baby Sounds. A reading of that poem can be found here on YouTube because this is my Barry Spitz team. And this past fall during the pandemic, we actually did a poetry recital. We just did it online since obviously we couldn't be here. So I've given that link. Hopefully you get a chance to go and view it at some point. I also have a bunch of links that show how I also was at Western Carolina myself. This is an article that was written to show one of the plays that I did at Piedmont Players in Salisbury. Coming down. The rest of these links are videos of my daughter and some of her theatrical events that she's experienced. So I won't click on all of these, but you'll see there's one at the bottom that kind of features me. But trust me, as we get to know each other through world history and learning each new lesson, I will try to find a way to let you see a little bit more into my background. Hopefully, with our first assignment for this week with our orientations, you'll show me a little bit of you, who you are, what things you like, what some of your special skills are, and hopefully what you're looking forward to this year. Hopefully this wasn't too long for you. Hopefully you were still paying attention. And I look forward to talking with you all personally tomorrow. Have a good day.